In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the payment function in Microsoft Excel. And what I'm trying to figure out is my monthly payment if I were to buy 10 computers at $5,000 for 5% annual interest rate for 2 years, or if I were to buy 20 computers at $9,000, 5.25% interest rate over a 4-year period. So I'm going to type in this function manually. To get started, I'm going to press the equal key and I'm going to start to type my function name. You'll notice after I start to type the function name, it appears down here. I can double click on it and it will complete the function name for me. At this point, I can look at this section here and it will show the order that the function needs to be completed and that all arguments have to be separated by a comma. So the first argument that's needed is my interest rate. So I'm going to click on the 5%, and since it's an annual interest rate and I need to make monthly payments, I have to divide this by 12. I'm going to separate this argument with a comma. The next argument is the number of payments. You can see that information right here in cell B5, so I'm going to click on B5. It's showing in years, so over a 2-year period, so I need to multiply this by 12. I'm going to separate this argument with a comma. The PV is the cost of the computers, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I can finish up this function by putting in my right parenthesis and then just pressing enter. If I want to know what it would cost over here for my monthly payment, I can just copy and paste this into the cell. So I'm going to select this, copy, click here. I'm going to paste the formula, and you'll notice that when I did that, it didn't mess up my border. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content, please click the like button. And if you want to receive notifications about more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.